What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine, and as you guys can see, I am on the side of the road. Alright, y'all, so first things first, if you look, I blew up my first battery. My first battery, I know, right? How many of us ever blew up our first battery? Yo, alright guys, so pretty much the battery blew up in the truck. And yeah, so had to put a new old battery in there. The battery, they had it bungee strapped, freaking idiots. So it blew up when it hit the fender, putting bricks under my back tire. So when I shifted, it's like, boom, and it's like, boom, and I seen a flash, and I was like, what the frick was that? Did something blow up? And then the truck shut off. No lights, nothing, no hazard lights. Finally made it home, so that's a good thing. So yeah, the truck is good. Truck is back safe and sound at the house. So yeah, my dad pretty much drove behind me, followed me, or whatever. So that's a good thing. Yo, as you can see, we're loading up the wagon, pull behind. We unloaded some stuff, steel off of here from my gantry crane. It's all on the back of this truck right now. Testing it out. Oh, these right here, these straps are $14 if you go to Harbor Freight. I think it's like 10,000 pounds braking, but working is like 2,000, I think it is, or somewhere around there. I got two of them to go along the beams to keep the beams and tubing on the back of the truck so it don't fall off. Getting better at 4-speed. For those who, if you wanted to know, I'm getting better at it. I have a video of me shifting everything out, but I still got to do a couple more things in the truck. Here, let me show you right quick. Right now I'm at my parents' house. Hold on, we'll switch the camera. Y'all, so we're inside now, and as you can tell, the gauges do not work. None of them. I can rebuild the gauges, but instead I chose another route. This is the route I chose. I chose to get these right here, some aftermarket. That's upside down. It's aftermarket, 50 bucks, $49.99 out. AutoZone for these, because none of the gauges work. Then I got this fuel one. That was 23, I think. And then I gotta get the aftermarket speedometer, and it'll all work in here. It'll all work in here, right here. All I gotta do is cut this hole out right here, cut this hole out right here, and then close this one in a little bit for the speed. But yeah, this is what we got in the truck, and let me know what you guys think. You know, there's the headache rack right there to keep stuff from sliding. Got the weed eater on the back. Took down the wooden sides, so I'm probably gonna keep them. But for the welding bed, my ideas, I'll have another video on this, what my ideas for the welding bed is gonna be. But the wooden sides come down. I'm gonna probably keep those if I gotta haul off trash. But I got all of this, everything secured and tied down, so you guys can see. See that? Everything's secured and tied down. So yeah, everything is straight and okay. And now it's about ready to go home, get some welding rod, and start setting this up and start welding. All right, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, write, and subscribe if you're new. And guys, always keep a fire extinguisher on the back of your truck and inside your truck, just in case. You never know when you might need it. I needed one and I didn't have one, so I suffered the consequences. So all right guys, take it easy, have a good day. I think today will be probably Sunday when I post it. I don't know for sure, but y'all have a good day. God bless.